The Cat in the Hat. And we know we were celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday on March 2nd. We did it all week. And so I want to do some retelling on this book. So I want to tell my favorite part, the character setting, problem, and ending. Starting with the character setting and problem and ending. We're going to start with the characters that were the fish, Sally, Sally's brother, the Cat in the Hat, thing 1 and thing 2. The setting is at a house at night, at daytime. Sorry. The problem is the cat in the hat let go of thing 1 and thing 2. Did a huge mess, but big mess all over the house. The ending. The cat in the hat helped clean with a cleaning machine. My favorite part about this book is this, when he helped. Because that's part of sharing, caring, and respect. And that is showing that we're going our green circle in our school. My drawing is this. The drawing is from
Explica el dibujo.
From it's from here, and sorry that was taking a lot. So that is my retelling from The Cat in the Hat, and I hope you stay safe and stay home. Bye.